Hi, you guys. So, this is the biggest surprise for me for this Christmas 2021. This exclusive shower gel here. Merry Christmas. I've had many cocoa or chocolate kind of Lush products, including shower gels. Lush has made 2, possibly 3 chocolate shower gels, different ones, since I've been buying Lush since 2000, and none of them smell like this one. Okay, so if you're wondering if 13 Rabbits chocolate shower gel smells like this, or if you're wondering if Sonic Death Monkey chocolate shower gel smells like this, it doesn't. This smells like a chocolate covered cherry. That's exactly what this smells like to me. A chocolate covered cherry. Y'all, what the hell is going on? Because where have they been hiding this goodness? This is now like the precious. Like, I am going to be eking out as many showers from this little bottle of shower gel that I can possibly get, because it's too good. You see this? It's got this rich red color that I'm trying to get for you. See this red color? And then you've got this gold shimmer on the bottom that's mixed through. Actually, I just need to shake the bottle up. So you can see how red it is. It's really thick and red, and it has sparkle in it. I'm trying to show you the sparkle, but I'm having a hard time showing that to you. You can see it in the bottle. I can also see it in the shower gel, but it's hard to show that on camera. But it's so pretty. It looks like a ruby inside of this bottle. And so the ingredients, they show aloe vera gel, agave syrup, cocoa absolute, and almond essential oil. So I think because of the almond essential oil, I think that's why it smells like cherry. And then, of course, the cocoa absolute is straight up cocoa. So it's a chocolate covered cherry. And I am in love with this, okay? It kind of smells like Lush cherry-ish body scrub. That's what this smells like, okay? So I can show you the consistency of it and see what it smells like when I actually use it versus just in the bottle. So I'm gonna go do that now, and we'll be right back. This is like a 5 out of 5 shower gel. So it'll be interesting to see if at some point down the road, if Lush actually sells this as an item for Christmas. I think that they should. It is very sweet, but it really smells like cherry, and I love it. And I'm also going to upload today on this channel the other 2 Christmas 2021 shower gels from Lush and my reviews of them. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.